my name is Jocelyne Mülli and I'm Managing Director at K.I.T Group. I would spontaneously answer our people because we know it's people business, and our digital events specialists and engineers are all under one roof at K.I.T Group. They cover a la carte services from consultancy to speaker rehearsals, registration, program and content development, TV production, down to statistical reports, all in full transparency as per our company philosophy. "2021 will be a very exciting, very special year for K.I.T Group with the introduction of a brand new state-of-the-art digital platform. And we look so much forward to serving our clients in 3 environments: face-to-face, digital, or hybrid. A great opportunity. Let me now give the floor to our DES team. They will each introduce themselves and their projects in a video series. I really hope you enjoy and look forward to hearing from you. From vision to reality,